me, Ozzy! Hi everyone, so today we're gonna go to the tram shed and we're going to warm up Sydney, blah blah blah. Forgot the rest. And we're doing 3x3 and 3x2 and wait, whoever this guy filming this, he's gonna do 4x4 and probably DNF.
So 4x4, which I've been practicing, it has a cutoff of 1:20, which I'm not going to get, and has a DNF limit of 3 minutes. So what that means is, in the competition, as I'm solving, if I get under 1:20, I can do 5 solves, but if both my solves go over 1:20, then I stop at 2 solves and that's it. If I go over 3 minutes, regardless of where I'm up to, it's a DNF. So my goal is to get less than 3 minutes, so at least I get a time recorded, but I won't get an average. That's my goal. And I don't know how people do 4x4 in like less than a minute, because I spend like about a minute just trying to look for the pieces. It's magic.
Like Felix Zemnigs.
Yeah, in Max Park. I'm not even going to try 7x7. That's just crazy talk.
Wow.
Wow. Fall asleep on me.
Soon after.
What do I keep doing wrong here? Yeah, what? Yeah, it'll be DNF. I still got to finish it, mate. Straight DNF.
Your last chance to do
Yeah.
A little later.
That would have been a pet OLL skip. No, we're gonna run. DNF. I messed up so bad. Hooray! Double DNF.
At least you get a DNF. Your PR's now is a DNF.
My PR is now a DNF, yes.
Meanwhile.
And we're probably gonna stay until he's finished, unless if I get to ride to next round or
Your safety. Please hold on at all times while the vehicle is moving.
Hello.
Hello.
What have you been doing today?
QiYi?
Yeah? Tell me a bit more about it.
What's your PR for 2x2?
Flashback.
You got 9!
That is such a good time. PR for 2x2. It was a 3.499.
I guess it's 9.90.
Are you ready? What's your best time?
Mate, that was amazing.
So I got a PR.
Yeah, easy.
39.93.
Montage.
That was terrible. I don't get any wiser. Hey, that is terrible.
Tell me how you went.
Terrible.
What do you mean? You broke your PR? Did you break your PR?
Yes, and then I was like, terrible.
But you broke your PR for average as well by 10 seconds.
Really?
Yes.
How did you know?
Because you got one time with 36 and 4 times between 44 and 46, and your PR average is 56.
Oh, yeah.
3 hours later.
What do you want, mate? Do you want snakes? We're always a winner. Winner, chicken dinner.
Do I have a budget? Does it have to be under $10?
They're all under $10.
Okay.
No, you can't have that. I want something now. I want something to munch on while we're at the thing, which is why snakes and stuff would be really good. Snakes or frogs or dinosaurs.
It's not low.
No. It's too plasticky. Something moderately. If it's going to be bad, it has to be moderately healthy. That's why I'm saying snakes, mate. Do that. I'll make you eat licorice worms. Sour one.
Are they good for you?
No, they're terrible.
1 very long digestive tract later.
Wow, the last one. You know, 17 over there. Someone just dropped that. Someone comes to the floor.
Who dropped the $20 before? Someone dropped it before.
Someone dropped it.
Use the 2518 case for the... Wait, did I switch cases? I can use this.
That counts, right?
Yeah, should be good.
Yes, I'm PR. I beat my PR by 4. What was your old PR? 9. Oh, yeah. We were worth the other time. Oh, no, birthday! No. I was... I'm gonna get a terrible average. I broke 2 of my PRs,
Yeah.
so I still have my PR streak.
I think you broke 3. I think you broke 4.
How?
Your single 3x3, your average for 3x3, your single for 2x2, and your average for 2x2. I'm pretty sure.
So that means I definitely keep my PR streak.
Maybe. For every comp you've been to, have you broken a PR? I would
Except
say
one.
yes. No,
Except for one.
I think the last comp you went to is the first time you did 2x2, so you obviously got your PRs there. So that's not hard. But then before that, I'm not sure.
Epilogue.
Oh, it's
So
only recording.
it's only recording. That's what the big red button means. Take 473 of the closing edit.
We've been here for like
74 hours trying to film it out. Thanks for watching so far. If you want to watch the previous Tram Sheds video that we've made where we met Felix Zemdegs, you can follow the link video display here.
which is covering my head.
No, because the subscribe button is covering his face.
Alright.
And that's us for today. So, bye.
Ozzy out.